Enjoy crispy golden waffles at home with a safe, durable appliance designed for everyday healthy cooking. Best Waffle Maker Non-Toxic helps you prepare evenly cooked breakfasts without harmful coatings, offering reliable performance, easy cleaning, and long-lasting kitchen convenience. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Ninja Belgian Non-Toxic Waffle Maker. The Ninja Belgian Non-Toxic Waffle Maker is designed for users who want consistency, convenience, and healthier cooking in one appliance. Its unique vertical design is not just aesthetic, it actively helps batter distribute evenly from top to bottom, reducing overflow and ensuring uniform cooking throughout each waffle. This results in a reliable texture every time, with fewer undercooked centers or overdone edges. The 5 shade settings give full control over crispness, allowing you to switch between soft, fluffy waffles or a deeper golden crunch depending on preference. The 1-inch Belgian waffle depth creates thick bakery-style waffles that hold toppings well, whether it's syrup, fruit, or savory additions. One of its standout features is the specialty setting designed for high sugar batters like brownie mixes or cake mixes, expanding its versatility beyond traditional waffle recipes. This makes it suitable not just for breakfast, but also for creative desserts. The included precision pour cup simplifies batter measurement, helping reduce mess and improve consistency in every batch.
Number 2. Cuisinart Double Non-Toxic Waffle Maker. The Cuisinart Double Non-Toxic Waffle Maker is built for efficiency and high-volume breakfast preparation, making it especially suitable for families or shared households. Its ability to bake 2 1-inch thick Belgian waffles at the same time significantly reduces cooking time, allowing multiple servings in a single cycle. The flip-style rotary mechanism plays an important role in evenly distributing batter, ensuring consistent browning and texture on both sides of the waffle. A key highlight is its PFAS-free ceramic non-stick surface, which supports safer cooking while also improving food release. This reduces sticking issues and minimizes the need for excess oil or butter, aligning well with healthier cooking habits. The 5-setting browning control provides precise customization, letting users choose anything from light and fluffy waffles to darker, crispier results based on personal preference. Number 3. KRUPS 1200-watt non-toxic waffle maker. The KRUPS 1200-watt non-toxic waffle maker is designed with family use and performance consistency in mind. Its square design allows it to bake 4 waffles simultaneously, making it highly efficient for households where multiple servings are needed at once. The deep pockets are particularly useful for holding generous toppings, whether sweet or savory, while the steam release system ensures a balanced texture, crispy on the outside and soft inside. Customization is a strong feature of this unit. With 5 adjustable browning levels, users can fine-tune waffle texture to match personal taste, from light golden to deep crisp finishes. This flexibility makes it suitable for different preferences within the same household. The non-toxic construction and non-stick surface ensure safer cooking and reduce reliance on excess oils, while also making food release smoother.
Number 4. Presto Ceramic Non-Toxic Waffle Maker. The Presto Ceramic Non-Toxic Waffle Maker focuses on delivering a professional-style waffle experience at home through its rotating flip design. This mechanism is essential for even batter distribution, ensuring that waffles cook uniformly with a crisp exterior and soft interior. The result is a restaurant-quality texture that remains consistent across multiple uses. It produces extra-thick 7-inch Belgian waffles divided into 4 sections, making them easy to serve in portion. This design is practical for both individual servings and shared meals. The ceramic non-stick grid is a major advantage, offering smoother food release and simplifying cleanup significantly. Unlike traditional coatings, it reduces sticking and allows for easy wiping after use, which improves long-term maintenance convenience. Safety and usability are also well thought out. The cool touch handles ensure safe rotation during cooking, reducing the risk of burns while flipping the unit. This makes the cooking process more comfortable and controlled.
The overall build emphasizes stability and ease of use even for those new to waffle making.
Number 5. Hamilton Beach Non-Toxic Waffle Maker. The Hamilton Beach Non-Toxic Waffle Maker is designed for durability, control, and consistent waffle quality. Its flip mechanism ensures even batter distribution, helping create thick, fluffy Belgian waffles with a restaurant-style finish. This flipping action is particularly useful for achieving uniform cooking, reducing the chances of uneven texture or undercooked sections. A standout feature is its Durathon ceramic non-stick coating, which is significantly more durable than traditional non-stick surfaces. It is designed to resist cracking and peeling while also being free from PFAS chemicals, making it a safer choice for everyday cooking. This enhances both longevity and health-conscious usage. The removable grids and drip tray add a strong convenience factor. Once cooled, users can detach these components and place them in the dishwasher, significantly reducing cleanup time. This makes it highly practical for frequent use, especially in busy households. The adjustable browning control gives full customization over waffle texture, allowing users to choose between lighter or darker finishes depending on preference. Regardless of setting, the waffles consistently come out golden on the outside and soft inside. Overall, this waffle maker combines durability, safety, and ease of use in a balanced design. It is particularly suitable for users who want long-term reliability along with simple cleaning and consistent cooking results, making it a dependable addition to any kitchen setup.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.